Now next is Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra is very important for everyone, especially for the ladies. Why I tell you. So Ashwini Mudra is called as a horse gesture. It is a beginner's yoga technique that involves contracting the anal sphincter in a rhythmic way. This is to direct the prana, that is life force energy, upward along the spine through the Sushmana Nadi, the body's main energy channel. So this is a powerful technique to pump the energy up into the Manipura chakra. This is a powerful gesture which involves the contraction and relaxation of the buttocks, muscles, sphincter, perineum and pelvis. So how to do that? So sit in any meditative comfortable position, or you can sit on the chair if you can't sit on the floor. Hand on chin mudra on your lap. Now inhale, contract the anus upward, hold it as long as you can, and exhale, release it. So contract the anus upward, hold it as long as you can, exhale and release the mudra. So that is the process of doing Ashwini Mudra. So what is the benefits are? Cure all diseases of the rectum and anus. The gesture can also be done in an inverted posture or any way. If you are in sitting posture, you can do. If you are in standing posture, you can do the Ashwini Mudra. And then if you are in inverted posture, you can do the Ashwini Mudra. What is the benefit while doing the inverted posture? In this case, it helps to cure piles. Third, it is a cure for constipation. 4, awaken the dormant Kundalini Shakti as per Gharanda Samhita. 5th, ideal remedy for hair fall. 6th, tone up the muscles of pelvis. 7th, it is the one of the best gesture for anxiety. 8, improves your sexual health by improving the strength of the muscles of the pelvis and improving blood circulation therein. 9, it awakens the sexual energies and sense of the pleasure that come from the earth and water chakras to rise up to the higher chakras. What is the limitation? Limitations are women suffering from the severe uterine problems should not practice this gesture. Second, avoid this during pregnancy and menstruation. Third, those having high BP and brain diseases shall avoid this gesture. 4, it should be avoided by patients who are suffering from enlarged thyroid, spleen and liver. 5th, slip disc and headache.